Hi there, Angela here from Juice and the Lemon. What is it like to be on the other side of you? Do you sometimes go into a conversation with the best intent and end up confused when your colleague totally misunderstands your point? Interestingly, our personalities will tell us so much about how we relate to the world around us. The problem is our knowledge is often only surface deep. If we really want to navigate every interaction effectively, we first need to hold up a mirror to ourselves. This is where insights comes in. The insight system will help you understand exactly why you do what you do. You'll get a fresh perspective on the way you communicate and how you react to the way people communicate with you. It will also give you ideas on how you can make a 5% flex in your communication style so that you can be more influential with those around you. Your voice is a valuable tool, and I want to help you make sure it gets heard. So have a read of the Insights page on the website, and if it resonates, give me a shout. Speak soon.